Hello everyone and welcome back to one other video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for United Arab Emirates, the unlimited data. So traveling to the United Arab Emirates and wants unlimited mobile data without dealing with expensive roaming charges or buying a physical SIM card, in this video we will look at one of the best eSIM options for staying connected to the UAE. So before we get started, click the link in the description to check out Yesim and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And of course, we are going to show you how to install the app on both devices, the Android and the iOS, right in the end of the video, of course. So actually, guys, you will need at first to scroll down until you can find the United Arab Emirates, and then just go ahead and tap on it. And Yesim offers unlimited data eSIM plans for the United Arab Emirates, including options for short trips and longer stays. For example, here on the unlimited plans we have the number of days. You can go with the 7 days right here for $33 or 15 days, so it's up to you. So for example, we'll go with that one, and then we will go with the checkout. So then you will need to choose the payments method. You can even go with more payments methods from here, and you can go and enable auto top up, right, or enable the auto top up, and that's the auto renewal. And now you will need to go with pay right here and just follow the prompt. So you all need to enter the credential or the informations of your card, PayPal, etc. And there you go. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM app on your iOS device. So actually guys, first you all need to open the iOS Yesim app, and then just go to the fast right here or install Yesim, or right, and then just go with install, right? So this is the first step. And now you will need to go and tap on the Yesim plan on the mobile data, and then go with done. So then you will need to turn the line, right, to turn it on, and the data roaming as well. So this is the first step. The second step, we can say that this is the first method. The second method is by scanning the QR code. So you all need to go to your device settings or mobile data, and then just go with add data plan, and here you will need to use the QR code and scan this code. And of course you will need to enable and choose the eSIM plan and to enable the line, or to turn on the line and the data roaming. Now guys, we are going to talk or to show you how to do that on your Android device. So actually guys, at first you will need to go to the help right here, right? Of course, you will need to click on the eSIM installation, and then you will need to go with install right here. And now you will need to go to settings here, and then you will need to activate the eSIM or eSIM and the SIM manager, and enable the data roaming as it says right here. Of course guys, that's the first method. The second method is by scanning the QR code. So you'll need to go to your phone's settings, go with the same card manager as you can see right here, and then go with add mobile plan, and then you will need to scan the QR code as well as it's shown right here. And of course you will need to enable the data roaming. So guys, if you want to check the latest eSIM plans and prices for the United Arab Emirates, once again click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. And thank you so much for watching guys.